The Royal Enfield Himalayan was first introduced in 2016 as the brand's first purpose-built adventure motorcycle. Designed to tackle rough terrains, long-distance touring, and daily commuting, the Himalayan quickly gained a reputation for being a rugged, simple, and reliable motorcycle. The initial versions, known as the BS3 and later the BS4 variants, played a crucial role in shaping the identity of this motorcycle in the adventure segment. The BS3 Himalayan, launched in 2016, was equipped with a 411 cubic centimeters, single-cylinder, air-cooled engine that produced around 24.5 bhp and 32 nanometers of torque. This engine was designed with a long-stroke configuration, ensuring good low-end torque and a smooth power delivery for off-road and touring needs. The motorcycle featured a 5-speed gearbox, which was sufficient for highway cruising and rough trails. It was built on a half-duplex split cradle frame, designed by Harris Performance, a company known for its expertise in motorcycle chassis development. This made the Himalayan incredibly stable on rough roads, and its long-travel suspension ensured it could handle bumps and uneven surfaces with ease. The BS3 variant, however, faced some initial criticism regarding quality control and minor mechanical issues. Some riders reported problems with oil leaks, tappet noise, and certain electrical issues. Despite these concerns, the Himalayan's capability as a budget-friendly adventure motorcycle remained undisputed. The combination of a 21-inch front wheel, spoked rims, and dual-purpose tires allowed it to tackle off-road conditions better than most motorcycles in its price range. Recognizing the feedback from early users, Royal Enfield introduced the BS4 Himalayan in 2017 with several improvements. The biggest change was the introduction of fuel injection, replacing the carburetor of the BS3 model. This upgrade resulted in better fuel efficiency, smoother throttle response, and improved cold starting performance. Additionally, the BS4 version complied with India's updated emission norms, making it more environmentally friendly. The company also addressed various quality control issues, refining the engine's reliability and durability. With the BS4 model, Royal Enfield also worked on improving overall fit and finish. The welds, paint quality, and general refinement of the motorcycle saw noticeable enhancements. The braking system was also updated, though some riders still felt the front brake lacked sharpness. However, the introduction of ABS, anti-lock braking system, in later BS4 models improved braking confidence, especially on wet and slippery surfaces. The comfort and ergonomics of the Himalayan made it a favorite among long-distance riders. The upright riding position, wide handlebars, and well-padded seat ensured that riders could cover long distances without excessive fatigue. The windscreen, though basic, provided decent wind protection at highway speeds. The inclusion of a rear luggage rack and mounting points for panniers made it an ideal choice for touring enthusiasts who needed to carry gear. One of the standout features of the Himalayan was its simple and rugged design. Unlike many adventure motorcycles that focused heavily on technology and electronics, the Himalayan kept things minimalistic. The instrument cluster featured an analog-digital setup, providing information like speed, RPM, fuel level, trip meters, and even a compass, which was a unique touch for an adventure bike. The motorcycle was built to be easily reparable in remote locations, making it a great choice for overland travelers. The off-road capability of the Himalayan was another reason why it stood out. With 220 mm of ground clearance, long travel suspension, 200 mm front, 180 mm rear, and a strong chassis, it could handle dirt roads, river crossings, and rocky trails with ease. The 21-inch front wheel provided better stability over rough surfaces, while the 17-inch rear wheel ensured good grip and control. Though the power output was modest compared to other adventure motorcycles, the Himalayan's torque-heavy nature made it easy to ride on inclines and rough patches. Despite its strengths, the Himalayan BS4 still had some areas that could be improved. The weight, at around 194 kilograms, was on the heavier side for a 411 cubic centimeters motorcycle. This made it slightly cumbersome in technical off-road conditions. The power delivery, while smooth, was not as aggressive as some riders expected, especially for highway overtakes. However, these were trade-offs for the bike's reliability and touring-friendly nature. As the Himalayan BS4 gained popularity, Royal Enfield continued to introduce new color options and minor refinements. The model saw international recognition as well, with riders from different parts of the world taking it on long-distance expeditions, including the Himalayas, where it was originally designed to perform. The motorcycle's affordability also made it accessible to a broader audience, bringing adventure touring within reach of many first-time buyers. By 2020, Royal Enfield had begun preparing for the transition to the BS6 Himalayan, which would bring further improvements in refinement and emissions compliance. However, the BS3 and BS4 versions remain an important part of the Himalayan's legacy. These early models established the foundation for what would become one of the most popular adventure motorcycles in India and several international markets. In summary, the Royal Enfield Himalayan BS3 and BS4 were game-changers in the adventure motorcycling segment. They offered an affordable, rugged, and capable machine that could handle a variety of terrains. While the initial BS3 model had its share of teething issues, the BS4 version addressed most of them and set the stage for further improvements in later models. With its simple yet effective design, the Himalayan became a go-to motorcycle for riders looking to explore beyond paved roads without spending a fortune. Its combination of off-road capability, touring comfort, and mechanical simplicity made it a beloved motorcycle among adventure enthusiasts.